Hi everyone, welcome to Weighty Twist Kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make a super healthy and tasty spinach edamame salad. It's very easy and quick to make, no fancy cooking skills needed. It's ideally served as a side dish or appetizer, plus it's vegan friendly, so let's get started. First of all, we're gonna boil 1.5 liter water in a pot, and then prepare 250 grams spinach. Wash off the dust and cut the roots off. When the water is boiling, put the spinach in and blanch it for about 30 seconds. As you know, spinach is a great source of calcium and tons of other essential vitamins and minerals, but it's also very high in oxalic acid, which not only gives a bitter and astringent flavor, but also binds the minerals like calcium and iron in your body to prevent your body from absorbing them. So please make sure you blanch the spinach every time when you cook them. Boiling is the most efficient way to break down and reduce oxalic acid. Then you drain it and transfer the blanched spinach into cold water to stop it keep on cooking. Then we drain it again and remove as much water as possible by squeezing it gently between your two hands. Then we chop the spinach briefly into about 10 cm long pieces and put it in a mixing bowl. Prepare about 800 ml water, add in 1 star anise, 1 small cinnamon stick, 10 Sichuan peppercorns, and 1 teaspoon salt. Burn it to boil. These spices can give the edamame beans an extra mild aroma and flavor, but if you don't like the flavors of the spices, just 1 teaspoon of salt will be just as good. Boil spices for about 1 minute. Then take them all out. Then we put in 2 third cups or 100 grams frozen edamame beans. Bring it to boil again and keep boiling on low heat for about 5 minutes. I love edamame beans so much. It's sweet, tasty, and also full of nutritious like proteins, vitamins, and dietary fiber. 5 minutes later, we drain it and cool it down with cold water, just like what we've done for spinach. After it's cooled down, drain it again and put them together with cooked spinach. Now let's prepare the salad dressing. We'll need 2 cloves of crushed garlic, 2 teaspoons large salt, 1 teaspoon zhenjiang vinegar, or you can use balsamic vinegar if you like, about 1 to 2 teaspoons honey or sugar, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Also, if you like it spicy, you can slice some red chili to give the salad an extra kick, but it's totally optional. Okay, now let's put all our ingredients together. Put in the red chili, add in 1 to 2 teaspoons toasted sesame seeds, and the dressing. Mixed well. Then it's so easy, isn't it? Here is our spinach edamame salad. The spinach has absorbed all the flavors in it. Soft, crunchy, but not stringy at all. The edamame beans taste very tender and tasty. It really made an awesome texture and flavor combination. Also, it's totally vegan, very healthy, and nutritious. If you like my recipe, please give a thumb up and leave a comment below. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell for more easy, healthy Chinese recipes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.